So often people ask me how to draw support and resistance on Tradingview to make consistent money in crypto trading. I will share with you my secret techniques that I developed after being 5 years as a top author on Tradingview and creating more than 3,900 ideas. But let's start. To build powerful support and resistance, you of course need to go to Tradingview. Full tutorial about Tradingview I will share with you. That would be in description. Highly recommend you to watch before you do all of this stuff. To understand support and resistance, you should understand your end goal. Your end goal is to find powerful trades that will help you make money by trading crypto, by trading FX, stocks, doesn't matter. And powerful support resistance, it is areas from which price did significant movement, trend stopped, and a lot of people will be so happy to take trades, to close their positions, because it goes all zone of interest. That's why always when you build support and resistance, always go for a start into bigger time frame. It is daily time frame. In most cases, I use next levels candles to buy and identify a significant level. What you do for a start, go to Tradingview, and here you will find this stuff. Trend line. You can add as a star here to add to favorite, and you will have all this list that will help you to draw it much easier. I use this one because for me it's important to understand where level starts. First type of significant levels, it is level that stop trend. You can build it only on a daily time frame. Why it's so important? Because imagine this, only this single candle bar stopped all this massive trend down. That means people that started buying from this area, they're really powerful and they protect this level. And quite often, nearly such levels, a lot of people that buy Bitcoin in this area, it is a place where they hide their stop losses. Quite often price will bounce from such levels or create false breakouts, all of this stuff. There are plenty of strategies that you can trade: breakout, false breakout, and I will add lessons to you about those strategy, and you can watch it entirely for free. Another type of levels that I like to build, it is levels from which price bounced several times. It calls limit levels. This type of levels also so powerful, like this one. Have a look. When price daily candle, and after that price touch this level several times. Such levels we use for breakout strategy. Quite often when you see the daily candle bounce several times and slowly squeeze to that level, especially into trend direction, in most cases that would be breakout. Again, friends, pay attention to this one. It is a level that stop all this entire trend down, and have a look what happened after that. When price broke it, it bounced, and again it bounced before this level. Another one, it is this level. It is a place where all this rise stopped and price started this sideways, and here price did complex false breakout. It is another strategy, quite difficult to trade, but still it's really powerful. Have a look on this important level from which price bounced several times. Remember I told you when price do powerful squeezing with bigger chance that would be breakout. And have a look how it happened here also. Have a look how after that this level, this important level become important resistance. Like it was support and it become important resistance. Quite often levels works into two directions. Another example for you, it is this one. It is a level that built by this paranormal candle. Price in this one single day dropped by 34%, and after that creates this massive range. And after that, how price exactly bounced from this level several times. Another type of level, it is this one. Have a look. Also trend changed after this level, and have a look how price again here retested this level, made significant bounce, even this complex false breakup. When you have goal to buy coin for long term, when you have goal to trade significant movement, swing trade, always use bigger time frames, daily, 4 hour. When you trade on lower time frame, for example, you do scalping like I do scalping strategies. We have a lot of lessons, by the way, about scalping. What you do, really simple stuff. You can build levels like this one, local low. Quite often price create false breakout of this stuff, like this level by paranormal candle. When you build a level, you always must ask yourself why price will bounce from that area, who have interest to trade into that area. Such areas, why, for example, this area is so important. A lot of people that buy Bitcoin in this area, where do they hide their stop losses? Of course, into this area below this low. And quite often price create false breakout, different strategies. Additional example to intraday levels, when price bounce from a key level several times, it is only 30 minutes time frame, and have a look again, price create beautiful squeezing. That's really powerful signal for breakout. So often we also use such type of another levels, it calls a trend line, because also price quite often bounce from trend lines, break out it, and share with me in the comments, should I record a separate video lesson where I will show you how you can build trend lines like a god. Also, if you enjoy what I showed to you, subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends, and watch this video lessons that will help you become a trading wizard. Thank you for your time.